Hey, this is Florida Trailblazer, and I'm hiking these trails out here in Central Florida, known as Black Bear Wilderness. And I'm near the St. Johns River, and I'm out here on this rainy day. It's been sort of rainy all morning as I began this hike. It's nice and cool out though, probably about 65 degrees. And I'm walking on this boardwalk through this swamp area here. And I like to hike this area because there's a lot of beautiful scenery, and it takes you up by the river, which is also an amazing sight. And I've actually got a geocache back here. And so today, while I'm out here hiking, I'm going to go back here and check on it. It's been a good while since I've been out here, and a lot of people have been back here hiking, checking into the geocache. And a lot of the comments, stating that they enjoyed the hike back here. It was such a beautiful area. So, and as you can see here, it is, even on a rainy day like this.